to Region 8 presents Sour Hour.
I just hit this weed, but now it's like, you know what I'm saying? Aw damn, think I just put out my last blunt. Empty plastic bag looking like I need to grab some bomb. Cause this feeling is gone, I'm coming down off this high and the weekend is long, it's full of grind. So I need to get some shit to ease my mind. Call me Corona cause I gotta keep that lime, got pine like salt. Without it I'ma fall and break. Chingy with the sticky, my connect is just a call away. I grab the zip while we gotta smoke it all today. I should be chillin' copping shoes at the mall with cake, but I gotta keep working like an office space. Coming after numbers, now they call me Deuteronomy. My weed is fuel, so I need a sour diesel. Just call my dude, in a half an hour he will hit me. Billy, keep the flavors of the sticky. That do you like some acid, have you tripping? Yeah, you know I smoke it, your mama probably smoke it, and I can guarantee Obama smoke it. Just hitting L's with Michelle, shit, I think I'm sober now. Let me grab my cell and see what smoke's around.
Okay, yeah. Look, I got that good weed, send and hit this chronic, smoke pounds to QP, so they send me out with closet fools. Yeah, I'm honest, it's 448 on the dot, you know I counted 18,000 for 5 of them. Been around.